They started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared. One little girl is working with me, scheduled caste family. Her family was ground from last night. She is having one daughter, they have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said, we will rape you. And her father, grandma is about 92 years old. She became ill, but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside. From Bhangor to Barasat, Barasat to Deganga, Deganga to Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birbhum. BJP, along with ghouls, started atrocities, and they think that some people may go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন প্রথম জিতেছিলাম, আমি বলেছিলাম কারো উপর যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই, বদলা নয়। আমরা কিন্তু সিপিএম এর একটা পার্টি অফিসে হাত দিইনি, আমরা কোনো অত্যাচার করিনি। আমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত আর নজরুল গীতি গাইতে দিয়েছিলাম। আর 3 দিন ধরে বিজেপি যে অত্যাচার করছে, সিআরপিএফ, এটা জওয়ান বাহিনী না গুণ বাহিনী? আমি আমার নিজের কনস্টিটিউশনে দেখেছি, আমার অভিজ্ঞতা 100 জনকে মেরে তাড়িয়েছে যারা জিতছিল। এবার আপনাদের আমি বলি, আপনাদের একটা রোল সম্বন্ধে আমাদের অভিযোগ আছে। You may accept, may not. After first round, you started saying BJP is getting 200, 195. You didn't wait up to the final result. Even you didn't wait to see the 5 round, 6 round. And after that campaigning with the press media, the BJP went to the inside of the polling station and they started beating the people, beating the counting agents. When I came to know why all the counting agents are withdrawn, that time I was reading about 13,000 and my 5 round was left out. And that round is also my ward and Bobby ward. We should have get more than 32,000. Then the candidate BJP itself went there inside along with